Don't read unless you are looking to improve your affiliate marketing strategies. Breaking into the affiliate marketing business can be a fairly daunting task if you do not have guidance. There is a huge array of affiliate companies, all with varying products, rules, and commission structures. With a little guidance from these tips, however, you can formulate a strategy that will limit risk while maximizing revenue. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. If you want to make more money, diversify the products that you sell. You can find a selection of products that a particular niche would be interested in and then focus your advertisement towards this niche. Another option could be to reach out to different niches. Both of these methods have been proven and you should find what works best for you. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. Your affiliate website should be easy to navigate. A clean, transparent homepage design will build confidence in your visitors and help them to find the information they are looking for. It is a good practice to explain briefly what your website is about, how it will help and reward the visitor, and what services your merchant offers. No business endeavor is completely free of risk, but there are certainly ways to minimize that risk. The tips above provide a solid foundation that will help you to create and maintain a healthy affiliate marketing business. Once you bite the bullet and start making money, you'll be glad that you watched this video. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.